Chatpata Paneer Recipe. I used 200 grams Amul Malai Paneer. Coat the paneer with 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi. Cut half a red, green and yellow bell pepper or capsicum. Cut 2 spring onion whites. Cut the spring onion greens and keep apart. Cut 2 green chilies. Cut 2 inches ginger. Cut the paneer vertically. In a hot pan, add 1.5 tablespoons olive oil. Add spring onion whites. Add cut ginger. Stir fry. Add cut green chilies. Add half a teaspoon chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon chaat masala. Stir fry for a minute. Add 1/4 cup water. Add the cut bell peppers or capsicums. Add a handful spring onion greens. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Next, add the cut paneer. Toss gently to coat the masala. Check for salt and add per taste. Add some more spring onion greens. Add 1 teaspoon more kasuri methi. Gently toss again. Add 1 teaspoon aamchoor or raw mango powder. Turn the heat off. The dish is nearly done. I garnished it with 1 freshly roasted papad. I served it along with 1 cut lemon. The dish is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.